Everything out before I pack everything into boxes. We're moving again. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I will be documenting well, this is my second or third day of packing up our old apartment and ready to move on to our brand new house that we just purchased here in Boston. And that's where it is, right bang in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic here in the US. And it is pretty crazy. We pretty much have to try and pack up and move into the new house during all of this craziness that we have going on right now. And as you can see, I'm in the attic. That's the reason why I also have my mask on. It's pretty dusty up here. Just a lot of mess all around. I've been trying really hard to pack stuff away and making sure that, you know, we don't end up taking all the unnecessary stuff. So I'm really trying to get rid of a lot of things too. Anyway, this video is just, it's more or less, it's actually more for me to document our move from our very first apartment here in Boston. We've been here now for 3 years, and we will actually really miss it out here. The location is great, and this apartment holds a lot of great memories for us as well, especially it being the first you know, apartment after coming back to the US from Korea. Anyway, that's enough talking. I'm gonna start like going through all of this amazing mess right here that I've just started. Are you helping me to pack too? Are you ready to see the new house? Yeah? Are you ready, baby? Means is up here right now, just sniffing everything out before I pack everything into boxes. We're moving again. How you feel about that? I feel like your whole life it's just been from one place to the other, huh? This is the current state of our living room now before packing everything up. It is a bit of a mess, but as just you can see, like, this is a really nice and cozy space, but we do have a lot of stuff. It's a lot of clutter. And this is the kitchen as of now. I didn't bother putting anything away because I want it to be as realistic as possible about how much clutter and how much I need to get everything packed away. And of course, as you can probably tell, this apartment is pretty tiny for the amount of stuff that we have. Each of our rooms here in this apartment is a dual purpose, really, because like I said, like, the space is very small. And I can't wait to move to the next house because there's going to be a lot more space there.
They do as being a young person and with your whole future in front of you, and I want you to look at the future. So when you have short-term goals or like a new phone.
And it's on to the clothes. I didn't realize I accumulated this many. I actually ended up getting rid of a lot of them, but still there's still a lot to pack. And here's my helper, kinda. Miss Minzy, what are you doing in there? Alright guys, so just want to do a quick update on the status of our packing right now. We are literally about a day and a half away from officially moving into our new house, and I still have so much to do. Oh my god, I did not realize how much stuff there was for me to pack. But anyway, most of the stuff here in the living room are packed. Just leaving the big furnitures around for the movers to come in and help us move, and just did one final last bit of laundry before we move into the new house, because that's the last thing I want to do. And if I take you guys into our corridor area, as you can see, we have piles of stuff stacked up on here now, and this is after me going through everything and donating bags and bags of stuff. And then behind me we have a few boxes for the kitchen and other miscellaneous, and then we have a bunch of like boxes that I still need to tape up today, hopefully by today, or I have to do it by today, end of today. I am absolutely exhausted. Spent almost 2 whole weeks just packing alone, and I did not realize how much of a chore it would be. Well, I should know. This is my 3rd time like doing it. But anyway, I'm happy to say most of the things are now in its rightful boxes, and a day from now we will be off to our new house. Alright guys, so the day is finally here. The movers will be here in about an hour, and we've already disassembled a bed. And yeah, everything looks like it's ready to go. Everything is packed up in its boxes. So I'm gonna do a quick final walkthrough. All of our packed clothes and a few more boxes down there. And this is the bathroom, all nice and cleared out. I cannot say how happy I am that this is finally over. I absolutely hate packing, and the last 10 days had been a bit of a nightmare to say the least. Anyway, off we go now to our new house that we can gladly call our very own. So yeah, I guess it's on to the next chapter in our life.
She doesn't like that.
Shh, stop. You're gonna wake up the neighbors. Shh, stop. Stop. Hey, no. Alright, so this is technically the morning after, and we have officially moved into our new house. Yay! There are boxes everywhere, as to be expected, but I've tried my best to organize them the best way I can so that it doesn't really get in the way of when we do stuff. And as you can see, this house is a pretty older looking house, but there's a lot of space, and that is where we saw a lot of potential. So hopefully over the coming years, like, we will gradually start renovating and updating areas of this house to properly suit our taste. And I'm just happy that we are officially in, and now we have all the time in the world to sort through all of these boxes. And Minzy is slowly taking to it, I guess, but she'll need a few more weeks, I think, before she can fully adjust. Huh, Minzy? What'd you say?